Welcome, YouTube peeps. Today we're shooting Eden. If you don't know who Eden is, you don't watch enough movies TV. Eden, who are we today?
So I am Jessica Rabbit from Who Framed Roger Rabbit.
So today we're shooting with octoboxes. So we're shooting with a 2.5 foot octobox on main, 45 degrees. And we're shooting with 2 4 feet octoboxes side to side, then we'll change them around. Our camera, as usual, my Sony A7 III with an 85mm lens. Alrighty, here we go. And use the camera. Right here. Beautiful. Nice and beautiful. Dresses on it. Where did you get that dress from?
This dress was made by Andrea from Andrea's Dresses.
Oh, nice. Shout out to Andrew. That's so beautiful. Beautiful. You're actually just close it in the picture, might be so.
Oh, okay.
You're right, nice and close. Beautiful, thank you.
Just one second. How I am.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Can you take the olive in the glass for a second?
The olive and the glass?
Yeah, we'll just do a little hold for a second. Let me put this one.
Oh, okay. No, I won't drink it. You can have it. Just like a gosh.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. You go back to what you're cutting into it. Back down the side of the finger. Oh yes, right there. It's beautiful. Hold back. Nice. Okay, go for it.
Look at myself in the mirror.
Yep, hold back. Gorgeous. All right. Thank you to Eden for this lovely Jessica Rabbit shoot.
Thank you.
I've been bugging Eden about this shoot for years, have I not?
Yes.
Years.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. It was a really great shoot. I hope you guys liked it. Eden? Tell us how they can find you. Where do you find you, girl?
So you can find me on Instagram as plus size modeling, or if you would like to watch me on my gaming channel, you can follow me as crazy__Kate on Twitch.
Thank you. Don't mind the train. We're near the track. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.